Hello North America. My signature course, the EMF Business Startup course, starts off with an online component where we cover all the theory from the comfort of your home, not just self-guided but also with guided meetings with the other students of that intake. And of course this can be attended to from any continent. But for the practical seminars, where we actually go and assess homes and teach you about geopathic stress, for that we have to meet in person. So up to this time I've been teaching that in Australia and in Austria, and I'm delighted to announce that going forward we'll also be running the occasional course from here in Canada. Hi, welcome. Thank you for your interest in my signature course, the EMF Business Startup course. When learning about radiation, of course you need to learn about radiation, but you also need to learn about the process of doing a home assessment. And if your interest is to help other people with it and start a business, then of course you're going to need some assistance in that area and some knowledge in that area as well. So that's what gave birth to the program that you're currently investigating.
Hello, my name is Patrick van Burght. In this video I'd like to educate you about EMF radiation exposure and where in your life this will be affecting you.
In this video I'd like to educate you about EMF radiation exposure and where in your life this will be affecting you. I will explain some of the common sources and what can be done about them in a verifiable way.
So what we do, we cover a vast amount of theoretical knowledge, which we use an online knowledge center for that you'll have access to. Every week you get access to a section where you can watch videos of me explaining these subjects. The benefit of this is you can do it at your own pace whenever you feel like it, within a week. And those videos, you can pause them, you can take notes, you can rewind, you can replay and come back to it also after the course. Then once you've learned the theory, we can come together in a practical workshop, and then we don't have to do the theory anymore. We've already covered that. And so we can get our hands dirty and get into measuring, using the meters, and then we actually go and assess homes. Now this practical component, this practical module, I do that in a number of locations in the world, including Canada. So wonderful place to travel to if you're in North America already, close by for you, but also if you're in other parts of the world, why not take the opportunity to come and check Canada out. It's a gorgeous place, nature all around, and as you can see, absolutely stunning. So I look forward to welcoming you soon, and we'll have lots of fun, learn lots, and it'd be great to, if you feel that way inclined, have you on the team and you know, work with each other in the future. That'd be awesome. All right, see you soon.
Okay, I'll get you to hold that antenna for me, just touch the silver bit. Okay, we're getting a really high read here, well in excess of the 30 microvolts that we're chasing. We get a read of about 9600.
So what's the number? You want to read that out for me?
It's 2,200 volts per meter.
Now this workshop here in Canada won't just be filled with man-made radiation. phone towers, transmission lines, local distribution lines, electrical wiring, that sort of stuff. It'll also be complemented by learning about excesses of natural radiation, or referred to as geopathic stress. So I'll be taking you to places like this to do some exercises. You can't really learn this inside a building or on a car park. You have to go into nature to learn this. So there'll be a nice break between the assessments and practice of man-made radiation to also delve into this subject. I'm sure you'll find it fascinating. So if you're in North America, nice and close for you. If you're somewhere else in the world, what an opportunity to come and check out this awesome country and awesome environment. So I look forward to you joining me first with the online component, which is a standalone course on its own. You could do that just by itself, but it's really designed to have the practical workshop at the end of it. And I look forward to greeting you anywhere in the world really, but here would also be delightful. So thank you, and I hope to see you soon.